He used mouthwash, right? That's what you're telling me. Hold on.
Really?
Hold on.
And now it's mouthwash?
What's
What's next? Abducted by aliens? Mm-hmm. It's not an answer.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Hey.
I'm here today on Joe Greathouse. He's got a pending BBR for a high brass.
Mr. Greathouse, come up. This is the one that you said that he's a truck driver. I had initially taken away his privilege to drive, and then we gave it back, right? And now testing positive for alcohol.
It was a high brass. Judge, I'm gonna just tend to this thing. I have. Should we approach?
Sure.
This is, I had my client, we were notified about the BRAC. I had to go to Quest Diagnostics and take an alcohol test. It shows negative. Now, it is a couple days later,
I mean, really?
but if somebody's drinking, Judge.
Really?
Drinking enough that they're gonna violate on a machine, why would they stop? If you've got such an alcohol problem that you can't stay straight on the machine, why would you stop?
That's, no, I don't believe that for a second. That doesn't fly. The only thing I know is that
Judge,
he didn't do a retest like he's supposed to right afterwards.
can I talk? So what he's telling me is that he was getting in the car to start a shift, that he has to start real early, right? He used mouthwash, right? That's what you're telling me. Hold on.
Really?
Hold on.
And now it's mouthwash?
Well,
What's next? Abducted by aliens?
Your Honor, I don't think I'm being inconsistent. He tested negative for alcohol. You tell me.
3 days later.
Judge, admittedly, I told you that. Admittedly, it was 3 days later. But what I intended to the court is, if somebody's got, a bad enough alcohol problem that they can't stay straight on a machine, why would they stop drinking? People that are chemically dependent, they may not be able to, right? What I've told my client, Judge, is that you can't use any alcohol products at all, right? And you understand that, correct? And so you've got some mouthwash now that is the hydrogen peroxide guy, correct?
It's a great house. I'm now again taking away your privilege to drive. And I'm now going to put a scram on your ankle so I know that you're not consuming alcohol at any time. And if I find that you do, I'm well within my right to put you in jail right now, Mr. Greathouse. So be lucky that you're not going to jail right now. But if I find that you test positive, and I don't care if the Queen of England comes down and says, let's have tea and crumpets, you test positive for alcohol again. Do you understand me?
Your Honor,
What are you gonna
the
say?
defendant's license is
He's telling me
coming
you
back
can't
as
drive.
ineligible already.
I'm sorry.
Your
The defendant's
license is, it's ineligible as it is.
I'm gonna have to look at that. I'm not in receipt of
They
it.
have access to the Texas Department of Public Safety's driver's license to see whether a license is valid or invalid. They've looked it up and they're saying that your license is not valid at this time. You're not allowed to drive regardless. It's suspended at this time. I mean, I know that you're looking at me like this, but the system is saying it. So don't drive. So what I'm going to do is I'll have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. After that, you'll get with pretrial for your bond conditions. They're now going to put a monitor on you. This detects alcohol through the perspiration of your skin 24 hours a day. Don't use. You need to be cognizant of everything that you put in your body. You know how many, if I had one strand of hair for every time someone told me that they use mouthwash, my hair would look like Mr. Johnson's hair. Really. That's why we advise every single person, as soon as they're given bond conditions, do not use this, do not use that, do not use this. Regardless as it is, your license is now suspended, so you can't drive regardless. So you guys need to figure whatever that is out, and then we'll talk. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Joe.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on walkthrough bond of Jonathan Johnson.
So where's the trespass from, please?
The Mustang Inn, Judge.
What is it?
Oh, the Mustang Inn.
So,
3800 Tidwell Road.
so is it what is it, a club? Is it a bar? Is it?
A motel.
It's a motel known for drug trafficking. That's where he picked up the possession of marijuana. And then he got a criminal trespass warning at that time. And then he picked up the criminal trespass at the same location.
So we have him continuing to go back at the same location?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
But he provided some information today. I haven't talked to him yet because he wasn't here when I talked to her, but
The problem is they don't want him there, right?
but they rented him a room after that. After the 14th, they continued. He said he was never told not to come back and they still rented him rooms. He has on his Cash App where he paid the Mustang Inn, not like on the 21st and stuff. So I have to look at the video to see it for the criminal, I mean, for the possession case to see if they in fact did give him a criminal trespass
So
warning.
let's do this. Could you mind doing me a favor? Will you run out there real quick, reach out to them and see if they're okay with him going back or not?
Well, he hasn't gone back since he got the criminal trespass charge. I mean, he quit going.
Okay, so then I'm gonna make it now a condition of his bond that he doesn't go back.
And he hasn't gone back since that. But I'm just saying that in trying to review the case, I asked him, some questions and it indicated to me that maybe perhaps he didn't get it.
I mean, of course, I don't know everything.
Right.
Perhaps they trespassed him after the fact, after he rented it, because that's always a possibility.
Yes.
I mean, it's a problem, of course, if they trespass him and then they rent him a room, then, but
Mhm.
Mr., if you pick up a third case, I'm going to go absolutely bonkers. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. It's not an answer. I'm not asking you. I want my city safe. And if I find that you're a danger to a person, place, or a thing, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you pick up a third case, I'm telling you now, I'm going to go nuts on the bond. You're not to go back to this location. You're not to use marijuana. You're not to use alcohol. And I'm going to test you 45 to 50 days from today, Mr. Weathersby. And if you test positive for dope or illegal substances, I'm going to keep you. Do you understand? You were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. You will be randomly tested. You're not to go back to the location of the, what is it?
Mustang Inn.
Mustang Inn. If you stop using as of today, in 50 days, you will be clear. But I'm putting you on notice that I will test you at 50 days. Do you understand? Okay. You have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. I'm going to waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time. Oh, come in here. Just be good. Don't be a danger in my city. Are you working?
No, sir.
It's time for you to get a job. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. So you need to do something with your life. Develop a skill. Develop a hobby. Don't become a statistic where you're at 50 years old and you ain't got nothing, not even a pot to piss in. Can't even look me in the eye. I'm speaking truth, brother. I'm speaking truth. We have way too many black and brown people that nothing, not even a pot to piss in. Now, at your age, it's time to develop a trader skill, dude. Because if not, you're going to have a miserable life. I'm telling you. We'll see. All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Break this one.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.